Florida has long been one of the most popular retirement destinations in the United States, and for good reason. With warm weather, no state income tax, and a wide range of communities designed for different lifestyles, it offers something for almost every retiree. But not every city in Florida is ideal for retirement. Some areas are too expensive, some are too busy, and others may lack the healthcare or community support retirees need. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best places to retire in Florida, based on cost of living, healthcare access, safety, lifestyle, and overall long-term comfort. This list focuses on places where retirees can enjoy a balanced, stable, and comfortable lifestyle. Also, if you're planning a move or setting up a new home for retirement, I've added a few useful and practical essentials in the description below that may help. Let's get started. Fort Myers is one of the most popular retirement cities in Southwest Florida, offering a strong balance between affordability and coastal lifestyle. Compared to nearby Naples, housing costs are noticeably lower, making it accessible for a wider range of retirees. The city is known for its warm climate, Gulf Coast beaches, and relaxed pace of life. Many neighborhoods are designed with retirees in mind, featuring quiet streets, community centers, and easy access to daily services. Healthcare access is strong, with multiple hospitals and medical facilities serving the area. Shopping centers, restaurants, and recreational activities are all within convenient distance, reducing the need for long travel. Fort Myers provides a comfortable retirement environment with coastal benefits without the premium price of more upscale cities. Ocala stands out as one of the most affordable retirement destinations in Florida. Known for its natural beauty and horse farms, the city offers a peaceful environment that appeals to retirees seeking quiet living. Housing prices are significantly lower than in coastal areas, allowing retirees to purchase larger homes or reduce monthly expenses. The cost of living is below the national average, especially in housing and property taxes. Ocala also has a growing healthcare system, with hospitals and specialized care facilities expanding to meet demand. The slower pace of life, lower population density, and strong sense of community make it ideal for retirees who value simplicity and comfort. For those looking to stretch their retirement savings further, Ocala offers excellent value. Deltona is one of the most affordable cities in Central Florida, offering lower home prices than nearby Orlando while still providing access to major job markets. The city consists primarily of residential neighborhoods, making it attractive for families seeking stability and quiet surroundings. Property taxes and housing costs are significantly lower than Orlando's core metro areas. Many residents commute to Orlando or Daytona Beach for work, benefiting from lower monthly housing expenses while maintaining access to employment opportunities. Deltona may not offer major entertainment districts or nightlife, but its affordability and central location make it one of the most practical housing markets in the state. Lakeland offers a central Florida location with lower housing costs and a quieter environment compared to larger metro areas. It is positioned between Tampa and Orlando, giving residents access to major healthcare systems and services. The city has a growing retirement population due to its affordability and convenience. Neighborhoods are calm and residential, with parks, lakes, and walking areas that support an active lifestyle. Lakeland's cost of living remains moderate, and property prices are still more accessible than in coastal markets. Daily expenses such as groceries and utilities are also manageable. For retirees who want a balance between affordability and access to larger cities, Lakeland is a practical and increasingly popular choice. Port St. Lucie is one of the fastest-growing retirement destinations in Florida, offering newer homes, planned communities, and a clean suburban environment. The city is known for its safety, healthcare access, and organized residential areas. Many communities are designed specifically for retirees, including gated neighborhoods and active adult communities. Housing is more affordable than in nearby South Florida cities, while still providing access to beaches and outdoor activities. Golf courses, parks, and walking trails are widely available. Port St. Lucie offers a strong combination of affordability, safety, and modern infrastructure, making it an excellent choice for retirees looking for long-term stability. Daytona Beach offers one of the most affordable coastal retirement options in Florida. Compared to many other beach cities, home prices and rent remain relatively accessible while still providing direct access to the Atlantic Ocean. The city is well known for its wide beaches, relaxed lifestyle, and strong retiree presence. Many communities are designed for older residents, offering quiet neighborhoods and easy access to daily necessities. Healthcare access in Daytona Beach is solid, with hospitals and clinics serving the growing population. The city also has convenient transportation routes and is located within driving distance of Orlando for additional services and entertainment. While it may not offer the luxury feel of higher-end coastal cities, Daytona Beach provides a comfortable and affordable retirement lifestyle by the ocean. Melbourne, located along Florida's Space Coast, is a well-balanced retirement destination that combines coastal living with economic stability. It offers a quieter alternative to larger Florida cities, while still maintaining access to quality healthcare and services. The area benefits from nearby aerospace and technology industries, which help support the local economy and infrastructure. This contributes to better maintained neighborhoods and steady development. Melbourne provides access to beaches, parks, and outdoor activities without heavy tourist congestion. The cost of living is moderate, and housing remains more affordable than many South Florida markets. For retirees looking for a calm coastal environment with reliable services and less crowding, Melbourne is a strong option. The Villages is one of the most well-known retirement communities in the United States. It is specifically designed for retirees, offering a highly structured and active lifestyle. The community includes golf courses, recreational centers, shopping areas, medical facilities, and organized social events. Residents often have access to clubs, activities, and entertainment within their own neighborhood. Safety is a major advantage here, with controlled access areas and a strong community environment. Transportation within the community is also convenient, often using golf carts instead of cars. While the Villages may not appeal to everyone due to its highly planned nature, for many retirees, it offers convenience, social engagement, and a built-in lifestyle that is difficult to match elsewhere. Naples is widely considered one of the most desirable retirement destinations in Florida. Located along the Gulf Coast, it offers a high-end lifestyle with excellent safety, healthcare, and environmental quality. The city is known for its clean streets, low crime rates, and well-maintained neighborhoods. Healthcare facilities are among the best in the state, which is a key factor for retirees. Naples offers beautiful beaches, golf courses, fine dining, and a calm atmosphere. The pace of life is slower, and the overall environment is structured and peaceful. Although housing costs are higher than average, many retirees choose Naples for its safety, comfort, and long-term quality of life. Sarasota takes the #1 spot as the best place to retire in Florida. It offers a near-perfect combination of coastal beauty, healthcare quality, safety, and lifestyle. The city provides access to Siesta Key Beach, along with a strong cultural scene that includes theaters, museums, and community events. This makes it ideal for retirees who want to stay active and engaged. Healthcare access is excellent, with multiple top-rated facilities and specialized care options. Sarasota also maintains a clean, organized, and stable residential environment. While the cost of living is higher than inland cities, Sarasota delivers exceptional value in terms of lifestyle, safety, and overall retirement comfort. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 best places to retire in Florida. From affordable options like Ocala and Daytona Beach to premium destinations like Naples and Sarasota, Florida offers a wide range of retirement lifestyles to fit different needs and budgets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Florida topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.